I'm Jam, and we're opening Owlcrate Jr.'s September box. Map it out. Ooh, a little card. The back, don't read it. And, ooh, I wonder what's in here. What shall it be? It's hard. This is, Owlcrate Jr. story plots. I think. I don't know what you do with this. It looks good though.
The scratch off map.
Scratch off map?
So we'll be scratching those off.
After we read it. I'm gonna put that back in here. That is really cool. Ooh. Here we have Hey Atlas. Not all those who wander are lost. I wonder what's in here. Ooh. It's a compass. And then not all those who wander are lost. It has north, south, east, and west. And yeah, other directions. Okay, I really like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back in here. Next, we have, I think this is a bottle holder. A little bottle holder, I think.
It's a water bottle sleeve.
Water bottle sleeve.
Nevermore inspired.
Ooh, Nevermore.
Sleeve.
Inspired by Nevermore series. Gonna leave that in there. Okay, next thing we have, literally local location passport. Literary location passport. Oh, it's like book title, reading journey start date, reading journey end date, describe location. Yeah, this seems really nice. Okay, now we have, I think it's like a little notebook maybe? Or coloring book. Ooh, a sketchbook. Oh, seems like it's watercolor. I like this cover. It looks like it's from Stranger Worlds.
That's exactly what it's inspired by. Stranger Worlds. Yep.
Ooh. We have a big envelope in here.
A lot in here this month, right?
Yeah. Ooh. What is this? Oh, I think this is origami. How to build.
Paper craft, yeah.
Yeah, how to build your paper hot air balloon.
Very cool.
This is really cool. Okay. I'm gonna put, okay, so, right. There's that, and there's this. Put this back. You know what, I'm not even gonna put that back in. Ooh, our book for this month is Map Maker. Author's signature, author's note, and the little card comes in. The trading card. Okay.
You need scissors?
I got it.
Yeah. You sure?
Oops. Owlcrate Junior exclusive cover.
All this stuff. Yeah, I have everything.
Here's the card. And the author's signature. And the author's note. And of course, the book, which I'm still wrapping. There. Ooh, it looks even cooler. Ooh, I wonder if it has illustrations. No illustrations, but... Ooh. Okay, this is white, but... This is cool. Here's this, and then here's this. This book already looks amazing. Let's put this all together. Oh my. The theme of October Owlcrate Junior is Mission to Space. It seems like something on the other one. 3, 2, 1, lift off! We're exploring space, the final frontier next month. October's book is an incredible tale of exploration, bravery, and science from a Newbery Honor-winning author. This will be perfect for fans of The Wild Robot, We Dream Off Space, The One and Only Ivan, and of course, all things about outer space. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.